My name is Dorena and I'm a videographer and photographer in the Northeast. And today we're gonna do the unboxing on my first impressions of the new Sony 7 IV, which I'll use mostly for video. And here we have this baby, which I'm taking out of the box right now. I'm excited. And here we go. Ay, Dios mío. Finally. So first we have all the manuals. Hey, unboxing isn't easy. Unboxing isn't easy. Ta-da! So first we have the strap, very cute. You know what, let me put it somewhere else. I put that away just because, you know, I need more room here. And then we have the body. And this, all very green, wrapped up in recyclable paper, you can tell. No more plastic. This is also recyclable. Good job, Sony. Very good, very good. Okay, let's see. So now, ta-da! And you know what? I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh. And this is one battery. That's the charger. And we have, last but not least, the charging cable. So these two are for charging. I'm gonna put it right here. Very light, very light. I have the other bodies. I have the Sony A9 and the 7C, and this is on the lighter side. I love it. Let's put on the battery. I'm sure it comes with a little charge. Until it clicks. We lock this. It did not turn on at all. I was told that it came with a, you know, a little charge just to check it out. So I'm gonna just put on an already charged battery from my other Sonys and I'll be right back. Now we got it. Can't wait. Ta-da! What language? And then we enter the area, New York. Yep. And month, day, and year. Yep. I'm not gonna say. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Beautiful, very easy to use. Flip screen, which is something new. Sony came with. It has, ooh, the cards are different. How you open them. Okay, what do you do? And then what? Oh, you open and press, and ta-da! I guess that makes them safer. Slot 1. I'm gonna do it in 1. And slot 2. And slot number 1 also takes CF Express, according to this, along with SD cards. That's very interesting. And then we go through the menu and start setting it up. That's very cute. Beautiful menu. I had never seen this menu before because I don't have the cameras that usually come with this menu. The buttons feel very, even softer than the cameras before this one. Here it has microphone jack, headphone jacks to hear, you know, to listen to what you're recording, and then the HDMI cables to connect to monitors, etc. And I understand that this HDMI is also for live streaming, and you don't need to install any software for that. It's right there, ready to go. Over here we have, a bigger, nice HDMI cable, bigger than anything I've ever seen on cameras before. That's pretty nice. And this, no idea what it is. I'll check it out. So here we have the microphones. These microphones are bigger than the ones I've seen before also in the Sony A9 and Sony 7C. One microphone here, one microphone there. Wow, okay. Usual, you know, cold shoe, and then, ta-da, I'm not even gonna look at that. It's a full frame camera, button, feels good. The grip is on the bigger side for me, just like the Sony A9. And this one comes with this dial. Okay, this dial you change in the front right here. You press. You switch from photo to video to S&Q. Interesting, which is slow and quick. Okay, so I'll go through the menu, set it up. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Customizable buttons. Then we have the zoom in and zoom out function button, just like everything else. The joystick feels good. Okay. It's very sturdy, very sturdy. I'm very happy. Yeah. It's a definite upgrade from the Sony A9, which came out in May 2017. So it's 5 years old. This is equally sturdy, ergonomics just as great as all Sony cameras are. Record button right here. These 2 extra dials. Ooh, they feel nice. Very responsive. I understand this is a customizable dial. Of course, I'm gonna plug in a lens in a moment. Nice, nice touch button. Oh, what? Is this a touch screen? What? Oh. I've never seen this before. I don't know if Sony Alpha 1 or whatever is touchscreen, but I had never seen this before. It's very exciting. I don't know if it's better or not really. I like the fact that I don't touch anything by mistake. I have total control, but maybe there's a way to deactivate that. Okay, so the next steps is I'm gonna set it up for what I needed, which is mostly 4K recording for weddings. I'm really excited to try it out and mix it up with the Sony A9 and the 7C. So far, I've loved my 2 cameras. This would be a 3rd baby, a nice addition. Feels really good so far. I'm sure the quality is amazing. I'll try it out and give you my review in a few months after using it, seeing how it's with heating and with 4K and 4K slow-mo. I understand it has it, and we'll see. Can't wait to try it. And this is all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful somehow. Keep shooting, keep working, keep growing, and I'll see you soon.